Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Joseph Pellerito, but you can call me Joseph from Detroit, Michigan. I attended today's session because I'm very interested in sort of act three of my life. I think that, our lives are in three acts like a play, and I'm in my early 60s and looking forward to the third act and transitioning from a career in higher education to becoming an entrepreneur and starting my own drone business. Why am I doing it? Well, there's an old saying that goes something like this: if you want to get out from under the man or woman's thumb, you have to become the man or woman. And Diego and Damon's energy level is just infectious. Their positivity, uh, their messaging, it's really about hope more than anything. What's most important to me? Well, I want to make a positive difference in the world, and I want to leave a legacy to my adult children, um, so that their lives can be better than mine. That's every parent's wish, I think. I'm also really thankful because I'm learning so much already, and we're not even through the first day yet. For example, Diego taught me it's not so much about what kind of vehicle, how fancy the vehicle is, or the type of vehicle that's transporting whatever it is that it's transporting. It's what's in it. It's the messaging that matters. And I've never really thought about marketing in those terms. I've always been focused on the tactics and not so much the strategy. So that's just one example of an incredible insight that's really helpful. And I've also got to say that I'm really enjoying reading everyone's comments in the chat. It's remarkable how much you can learn from one another in terms of the other participants and their stories. And I'll end with this: we all have a story to tell. And most of us, if not all of us, have experienced heartache and even tragedy in our lives, both in a personal sense, but perhaps also in business. I don't think it really matters so much whether we fall or not, because inevitably we all fall, but it's how we get back up. And it's important to get back up and continue to move forward. Um, Hey, I'm excited, I'm fired up, and I feel a real sense of hope for the future. So, thanks again, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.